Hello everyone. Till now we have learned the types of loads and how to identify them. Now in this lecture we will discuss the effect of the types of loads, that is, what types of stresses are developed. So let's have a look into them. So in this module we'll be discussing three types of stresses. One is the axial or normal stress, second is the tensile stress, and the third one is the compressive stress. Let's have a look at each of them. First, let's discuss the effect of the axial load on a member. Consider a bar as shown in the figure which is subjected to load P. The load P is normal to the surface and along the longitudinal axis of the bar. Hence, the load P is an axial load. Due to the load P, there is a deformation in the bar, and as we discussed earlier, a resistance R is developed in the bar due to this deformation. We also discussed that for static equilibrium condition, the total resistance R is equal to the applied load P. And as we discussed earlier, this resistance against the external load is also known as stress. Now consider that the distribution of resistance is uniform. Therefore, at each point of the section, the resistance will be uniform. The stress at a point or average stress is equal to sigma, which is equal to summation R upon A. Since we know that summation of R is equal to P, we can write that sigma is equal to P upon A. Now, this stress is developed due to an axial load. Hence, it is known as axial stress. And because the load is also normal to the surface, hence it is also called as normal stress and is derived by the Latin word sigma. As we discussed earlier, that for the uniform distribution of resistance value or average stress and instant, we have already discussed the uniform distribution of resistance for an average stress. Now, for normal stress. Normal stresses also may be classified as tensile stresses and other is compressive stresses. If the direction of the axial load is away from the body or it is a pull force, then the normal stress is called as a tensile stress and it is always taken as positive. We can see this from the diagram. And if the load is acting towards the body, means it is a push force, then it is called as compressive stress and it is taken as negative. We can see it from the diagram. So in this lecture, we have discussed the normal stress and its types, what is the effect of axial load, and in the next lecture, we will discuss the effect of eccentric axial load on a member. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe our channel, Ekeeda.